Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Seems like the whole crypto market is really struggling now, and we all know what's the reason, guys. The Fed is really, pushing on the interest rates, and both the stock market and the crypto market is really struggling. If you see the price for the last 7 days, it's crazy. Ethereum is down 17%. I mean, after a very long time, we saw Bitcoin, going below 40,000, and then Ethereum going below 3,000. That is a real fire discount sale, but I obviously, we never know, right, guys? This could be a falling knife, which means that it can. I'm hoping, really hoping that this will go even down. I mean, it could fall even 10-20% more. So I think I'm just making you aware. I'm not telling you to buy now. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This video is only for the educational purposes. So that's a disclaimer. Do your own research, okay? So Shiba Inu, right? We know that the strong support is around 2628. So I mean, it's been respected as of now. As we can see here, it's still quad 027. I mean, in terms of Shiba Inu, for the last 1 month, it's been hovering around, in threes and quad 028s. And if it goes below quad 026, I'm hoping that would be bit dirty. I mean, guys, this can look bit ugly, but I am a long-term investor holder. I am definitely, going to hold Shiba Inu for a very long time. And also, the fact is, guys, is there anything changed in Shiba Inu in last week or last month or so? No, we are seeing some amazing things happening. Metaverse is still how he was. They have signed a contract with AAA Gaming. So they are all they're hiring some big folks like William from Activision, and also the Metaverse is still on the boom. So companies like Alibaba, massive blue chip companies like Facebook is down now. So it's kind of a very choppy market, guys. The Fed already told that they're going to raise the interest rate, but there's a lot of confusion going on, And you know what? I don't think that the investors are really worried about the interest rate, because we all know that's going to happen. It's just a matter of fact that there is some confusion, right? What Fed is going to do, and there is some FUD in the market, and once the US stock market has been damaged, it will definitely pull the crypto market down, and that's what's it's happening with Shiba Inu coin as well. But I'm pretty sure that if you ask me one question, okay, do you think that the price will go below quad 056, and do you believe that it will touch all times high and then form a new all time highs in the next 1 year or 2 years? I believe so. I totally believe in it. But it could be different for everyone, right? So if you plan to sell now, I'm telling you now, you will definitely be cry after a few months, saying that what, I've done a blunder, because we have always seen that Shiba Inu has a strong community. And then the good thing is, it's almost the whole time is 59 days, which means the 1.1 million holders, they know for a fact that they're going to win, and that's why they're holding on to it. Have a look at this, right? Shiba Inu profitability rate drops to 44%, meaning the fact that the data shows that 57% of Shiba Inu holders are not in profit, but they're still holding on to it. They believe in the coin. 52% are in a loss and 5% breaking even. Guys, because I think most of the people, bought in this range, or maybe a little bit over this, and that's why we see a big percentage change in the profitability. But this can change in a couple of days, so I think we shouldn't be worried about this. And then also the fear index is getting worse, because of the FUD and then the interest rates happening in the US. So I'm really hoping that you guys make some wise decision, and then anything on a paper loss is not a loss unless you sell and then make a trade. That's where the real loss takes place. Whatever you see as a paper loss, it doesn't matter, guys. So we have been here. This is crypto, this is share market, this is investment. It always, the profit comes with a high risk. So I totally urge you to do some research, and then stay strong, right? I'm going to hold it whatever happens, right? Because I don't put the money I needed to pay my mortgage, or pay my bills. I make sure that I can only afford to invest in the share market and the crypto market, where I can survive without giving a penny, right? Even if it's in loss, I can survive. That's what I'm doing here, and that's why we always say that do your own research, and then only afford the amount of money you can lose in this type of coins. I'm not saying you're going to lose it. I'm just saying that it's temporarily. You might not able to make some profit, and that's it, guys. That's a huge difference between losing money and then waiting for the right time to get some profit. Hopefully you like this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.